Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. Because let's be real, who doesn't want to make money while they sleep? It's the dream, right? We're not talking about some get-rich-quick schemes here. I'm talking about legitimate ways to build long-term wealth and financial freedom. We're gonna break down each idea, talk about how it works and how much money you could potentially make. So, if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and start living life on your own terms, grab your notepad and buckle up because this video is about to get financially empowering. Alright, let's kick things off with real estate. Now, I know what you're thinking. Amanda, real estate? That's not passive. I don't want to be fixing leaky faucets at 3 a.m. And you know what? You're absolutely right. That's the beauty of real estate crowdfunding. It's like dipping your toes into the real estate market without having to deal with any of the messy stuff. No tenants, no toilets, no late-night calls about a broken garbage disposal. Platforms like Fundrise let you invest in commercial real estate projects with as little as $10. Think of it like owning a tiny piece of a skyscraper, but instead of collecting rent checks, you get dividends deposited straight into your account. It's like magic, but with money. And the best part? You can diversify your portfolio across different properties and locations. It's like having a real estate empire without the stress of being a real estate tycoon. So ditch the landlord nightmares and let your money work for you in the world of real estate crowdfunding. Next up, we're talking about one of my favorite passive income streams, dividend stocks. Now, before you click away thinking this is just for Wall Street hotshots, hear me out. Dividend stocks are like the gift that keeps on giving. You buy shares in a company that pays dividends, and boom, you get a cut of their profits just for being a shareholder. It's like getting paid to do nothing. Okay, not exactly nothing. You do have to do your research and choose the right companies. But once you've invested, you can sit back, relax, and watch the money roll in. Well, not literally roll in, it's more like a slow and steady drip. But trust me, over time, those drips can turn into a flood of passive income. And the best part? You don't need a ton of money to get started. There are plenty of dividend-paying companies out there that fit any budget, so why not put your money to work for you and start building a passive income stream with dividend stocks? Okay, are you ready to become a lender? No, not the kind that chases people down for money. I'm talking about peer-to-peer lending, where you get to be the bank, but without the stuffy suits and complicated jargon. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper connect borrowers with investors like you. You choose who you want to lend to, how much you want to lend, and what interest rate you want to charge. It's like playing matchmaker, but with money. And the best part? You get to set the terms. You decide how much risk you're comfortable with, and what kind of returns you're looking for. Plus, it feels good knowing you're helping people achieve their financial goals, whether it's consolidating debt, starting a business, or finally taking that dream vacation. Just remember, like any investment, peer-to-peer lending does come with risks. So, do your research, diversify your loans, and never lend more than you can afford to lose. But if you're looking for a way to earn higher returns than your average savings account, peer-to-peer lending might just be the perfect passive income stream for you. Alright, calling all experts, hobbyists, and anyone with a skill to share. Did you know you can turn your knowledge into a passive income stream? That's right, I'm talking about creating and selling online courses. Think about it. What's something you're passionate about? What do people always ask for your advice on? Whether it's photography, cooking, coding, or even cat grooming, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it ridiculously easy to create and sell your own online courses. You record your lessons, upload them to the platform, and voila! You're officially an online professor, but without the student loan debt. And the best part? Once your course is created, it can generate passive income for years to come. Every time someone enrolls in your course, cha-ching, that's money in your pocket while you're sipping margaritas on the beach, or, just living your best life. So, dust off that brain of yours, channel your inner teacher, and start creating your online empire one course at a time. Okay, aspiring authors, this one's for you. Have you ever dreamed of writing a book? Well, guess what? You don't need a fancy publisher or a literary agent to make your writing dreams a reality. With ebooks, you can self-publish your work and start earning royalties from every sale. That's right, you can finally tell that crazy story you've been sitting on, share your expertise with the world, or write that steamy romance novel you've been secretly outlining in your head. And the best part? The possibilities are endless. You can write about anything your heart desires, whether it's a how-to guide, a memoir, a cookbook, or even a children's book about a talking cat who solves mysteries. Just saying, I'd read that. There's an audience for everything. And with platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, it's easier than ever to get your ebook out there. You upload your manuscript, set your price, and boom, you're officially a published author. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner wordsmith and start writing your way to passive income. Alright, let's talk about one of the most popular passive income streams out there, affiliate marketing. Now, before you roll your eyes and think it's all spammy links and pushy sales tactics, hear me out. Affiliate marketing is simply the art of recommending products or services you love and getting a commission if someone makes a purchase through your unique link. It's like being a professional recommender, but instead of getting a pat on the back, you get cold hard cash. Think about it, you're already recommending products to your friends and family all the time, right? Why not get paid for it? Whether you have a blog, a social media following, or even just an email list, you can start incorporating affiliate links into your content and watch the commissions roll in. The key to successful affiliate marketing is to be authentic and only promote products you genuinely believe in. Don't just shill any old product for a quick buck. Your audience can smell a phony a mile away. Instead, focus on building trust and providing value, and the commissions will follow. Let's be real, our cars spend most of their time just sitting there, depreciating in value. But what if I told you there's a way to turn your car into a money-making machine? That's right, I'm talking about renting out your car. Platforms like Turo and GetAround make it easier than ever to list your car for rent and start earning passive income. Think of it like Airbnb, but for cars. You set your own rates, choose your availability, and screen potential renters. It's a great way to offset the costs of car ownership, like car payments, insurance, and maintenance. And who knows, maybe your car will even become a local celebrity, chauffeuring tourists around town or starring in a low-budget indie film. Just kidding, sort of. But seriously, renting out your car is a legitimate way to earn passive income, especially if you live in a densely populated area or near a popular tourist destination. Plus, it's a great way to give your car a little side hustle while you're busy conquering the world. Okay, let's be honest, we could all use a little more laziness in our lives, right? Especially when it comes to making money. And that's where high-yield savings accounts come in. Now I know what you're thinking. Amanda, savings accounts? That's not exactly groundbreaking, and you're right, it's not the sexiest investment strategy out there. But hear me out. High-yield savings accounts offer significantly higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. We're talking like 10 times higher. Okay, maybe not that high, but you get the idea. It's not going to make you rich overnight, but it's a safe and easy way to earn passive income on your money. Plus, it's FDIC insured so you can sleep soundly knowing your money is protected. So why let your hard-earned cash just sit there collecting dust when it could be earning you passive income? Check out online banks like Ally Bank and Marcus by Goldman Sachs for some of the best high-yield savings account rates. Okay, aspiring YouTubers, this one's for you. Have you ever dreamed of becoming the next big YouTube sensation? Well, guess what? You don't need a fancy camera crew or $1 million studio to make it happen. With a little creativity and a lot of hustle, you can turn your YouTube channel into a passive income stream. That's right, you can get paid to share your passions, your talents, and your unique perspective with the world. Whether you're a makeup guru, a gaming fanatic, a tech reviewer, or just someone who loves to make people laugh, there's an audience out there for you. And with YouTube's partner program, you can monetize your videos with ads and start earning revenue from your views. Now, I'm not gonna lie, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and a whole lot of patience. But if you're consistent, engaging, and passionate about what you're creating, the possibilities are endless. So grab your camera, unleash your inner star, and start creating content that people will love. Alright, let's talk about REITs, or real estate investment trusts. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Think of REITs like a giant basket of real estate properties, all bundled together into one convenient investment. Instead of buying a whole property yourself, you can buy shares in a REIT and own a tiny piece of everything. We're talking shopping malls, office buildings, apartments, hotels, you name it. And the best part? REITs are known for their juicy dividends. That's because they're required by law to pay out at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders. It's like getting a monthly or quarterly paycheck just for being a savvy investor. Plus, REITs offer built-in diversification. Instead of putting all your eggs in one property basket, you're spreading your risk across a variety of properties and locations. It's like having a real estate empire without the hassle of being a landlord. So, if you're looking for a way to add some passive income and diversification to your portfolio, REITs might just be the perfect investment for you. There you have it, folks. 10 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. Remember, building passive income takes time, effort, and a little bit of hustle. But the rewards are well worth it. So, what are you waiting for? Choose one or two of these ideas that resonate with you and start building your passive income streams today. Thanks for watching. If you found these passive income ideas helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more financial strategy tips for the average Joe. See you in the next video.